Do you know what foods not to eat on an empty stomach? Eating food on an empty stomach can lead to several problems, including bloating, gas, and constipation. In addition, your digestive system won't have enough time to digest the food and absorb any nutrients properly. This can also cause diarrhea and other digestive issues. So what should you eat instead? Some good options include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and milk products. And if you still feel like eating something else later in the day, make sure that it's something light and low-fat so that you don't put unnecessary strain on your digestive system. Foods not to eat on an empty stomach. When it comes to food, it's always important to be mindful of what you're eating and when you're eating it. That's why it's best to avoid eating anything on an empty stomach. 1. Drinking soda. Avoid drinking sodas on an empty stomach because they only make you feel sick and tired. Drinking sodas on an empty stomach causes bloating and gas. The rapid absorption of sugar causes these side effects in your bloodstream and the explosion of gas that results from that process. Both of these conditions are unpleasant and can make you feel mentally and physically uncomfortable. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a great way to start your day, but you should avoid eating them if you're already feeling queasy or stomach upset. They're high in sugar and contain many acids, making the stomach feel uncomfortably acidic. 3. Spicy food. Spicy food can be a great way to fill up calories and satisfy your appetite. However, eating spicy food on an empty stomach is not recommended because it can cause discomfort and even vomiting. 4. Alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant and can make you feel sleepy, dizzy, and lightheaded. It can also reduce the production of gastric acids, leading to vomiting and abdominal pain. Therefore, it's not advisable to drink alcohol on an empty stomach, especially if you're planning on driving afterward. 5. Fried foods. These snacks often contain unhealthy oils and excessive amounts of salt, which can cause gastrointestinal discomfort and dehydration. Many experts believe eating fried foods can lead to cramps and other stomach problems. 6. Yogurt. Eating yogurt or fermented milk on an empty stomach can lead to acidity. Eating yogurt on an empty stomach can cause the stomach to produce too much acid. This can lead to gastritis and inflammation of the stomach lining. Gastritis can be very painful and may require medical treatment. 7. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of dietary magnesium, which can help to regulate your blood sugar levels and keep your digestive system working properly. However, eating bananas on an empty stomach may potentially be harmful. Your metabolism might be affected, and your digestive system could become unbalanced. This could lead to nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. 8. Coffee. Coffee is a common drink that many people enjoy on an empty stomach. However, drinking coffee on an empty stomach can cause gastric upset and even vomiting. This is because coffee contains caffeine, a stimulant that can cause the digestive system to contract rapidly. Drinking too much caffeine can also lead to dehydration and can exacerbate any other medical conditions you may have. 9. Tomatoes. When you eat tomatoes, the tannic acid in them increases their acidity in the stomach. This can lead to gastric problems like heartburn or indigestion. If you're experiencing any stomach issues, it's best to avoid eating tomatoes until you've ruled out any other possible causes. 10. Peanut butter. The problem with peanut butter is that it contains a lot of oil, which makes it one of the foods that can cause gastritis. Also, peanut butter is high in calories and fat, quickly filling you up and leaving you feeling unsatisfied. It's also packed with carbs, which will spike your blood sugar levels and cause cravings later on. 11. Sweets. Sweets are not recommended to eat on an empty stomach because when sugar enters the stomach, the human body cannot secrete enough insulin to maintain its normal levels. Sugar on an empty stomach can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, which can lead to feelings of dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. Now that you know the foods to avoid on an empty stomach, keep these tips in mind, and we are sure your stomach will always stay happy. Remember, if you get hungry, drink lots of water and eat small portions throughout the day. Now go ahead. Enjoy your healthy meal without worrying about the side effects.